Oke, lesson 21. Coba lesson 21.
Give me a book, please.
Give me a book, please, Jane.
Give me a book, please, Jack.
Please, Jane.
Please, Jack. This book is on.
This one, pelan-pelan.
This one.
No,
No.
not that one.
Not the one.
The red one.
The red one.
This one.
This one.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Here you are.
Ah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ulangi dulu. Kasih bagus dulu cara bacanya. Give me.
Give me a book, please, Jan.
Ah.
Which
Which book?
book? That's one.
That one.
That one. On not
This one dulu. This one.
this one.
No,
No.
not that one.
that one.
The red one.
The red one.
This one.
This one.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Here
Here
you are.
you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ulangi lagi.
Give me a book, please, Jan.
Ya. Which book? This one.
This one. No, not the.
Not that one.
No, not this one.
The red one.
The red one.
This one.
This one. Yes, please.
Here you are.
Here you are. Thank you.
Ah, bisa lagi? Sekali lagi.
Give me a book, please, Jan.
Ya.
We book.
Which book?
Which book?
This one.
This one. No,
No. Not
No.
that one.
not that one.
The red
The
one.
red one.
This one.
This one.
Yes, please.
And
Here
Here
you are.
Thank you.
Lanjut. Lesson 22.
Then 22. Give me what's on.
Coba bilang aja. Dirty,
Dirty,
clean,
clean,
empty,
empty,
full.
full.
Ulangi dulu. Dirty, kotor.
Dirty,
Kotor.
dirty, kotor. Clean, bersih.
Empty,
Empty,
kosong.
kosong. Full,
Penuh.
penuh.
Large,
Large,
luas, besar lah.
large, luas.
Atau besar.
Small,
Small,
small, kecil.
big,
Big,
besar.
besar.
Small,
Small, kecil.
ini luas saja, luas, kecil. Udah? Ulangi. Large,
Large, besar.
luas ya boleh. Small,
Small, kecil. Big,
besar.
besar. Big,
Little,
little, kecil.
new,
New,
baru.
besar.
Baru, new, baru.
New, baru.
Old,
Old,
tua. Sharp,
tua.
bilang kayak sharp.
Short,
Ada P-nya, sharp,
sharp,
tajam.
tajam.
Blunt,
Blunt,
tumpul.
tumpul.
New,
New,
baru.
baru.
Old,
Old,
tua.
tua.
Apalagi itu small.
Small,
Ini small,
small,
kecil.
kecil.
Oke, ulangi lagi.
Dark, kotor.
Dirty, dirty.
Dirty, kotor. Clean, bersih. Clean,
Apa? Empty,
empty,
kosong.
kosong. Full,
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 penuh.
penuh. Large,
Large,
large, besar.
Small,
kecil. Big, besar. Little,
little, kecil.
kecil.
New,
New, baru.
old,
Old, tua.
Sharp,
short,
tajam.
tajam,
Blunt,
blunt,
tumpul.
tumpul, new, baru, old,
Tua.
tua,
Large,
large,
besar.
besar,
Small,
small, kecil.
Oke. Saya itu. Give me some
Give me some
glasses,
glasses,
please, Jane.
please, Jan.
Berikan saya beberapa gelas, tolong, Jane. Which glasses?
Which glasses?
Gelas-gelas yang mana?
Gelas yang mana?
Ini pakai set. These glasses.
These glasses.
Gelas-gelas yang ini.
Gelas yang ini.
No, not those.
No, not
Those.
those.
Nah, bukan itu, bukan mereka. The ones
The ones
on the shelf.
on the shelf.
Gelas-gelas yang di atas rak.
Gelas-gelas yang di atas rak.
These,
This
yang ini.
yang ini.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Here you are.
Inilah, ini dia. Thanks.
Thanks.
Terima kasih. Nah, baca lagi nih. Give me
Give me
some
some
glasses,
glasses,
Please.
please, Jan.
Jane.
Please, Jan.
Jane.
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 Nah, which glasses?
Which glasses? These glasses. No, not these.
No,
No,
not those.
No, not
Those. The ones
The ones
on the shelf.
On the shelf.
These?
This.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Sekali lagi. Give me
Give me
some
some
glasses,
glasses, please, Jane.
Jane.
Please, Jane.
Nah, which glasses?
Which glasses?
These glasses?
These glasses?
No, not those.
No, not
Those.
those.
The ones
The ones
on the shelf.
on the shelf.
These.
These?
Panas di situ sini. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Oke, lanjut.
Lesson
Lesson.
24.
Hmm.
Give me which owns.
Jangan aja. Pens
Pants
on the desk.
on the desk.
Lagi.
Teeth on the caps. Smarts on the table. It's on the floor. Key cards.
Mana? Cigarettes
Cigarettes on the television.
visions
Televisions
on the televisions.
on the television.
Oke.
Books on
Apa?
books.
Boxes
Boxes on the floor.
on the floor.
On the floor.
Bottles
Bottles
on the dressing table.
Dressing table.
Dressing table.
Dressing table.
Oke. Books
Books.
on the shelf.
Shelf.
Magazines
Magazines
on the bed.
on the bed.
Pendek, on the bed.
On the bed.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Ada S-nya, papers.
Newspapers
On the
radio.
on the radio.
On the radio.
Ulangi lagi. Pens on the
On the desk.
desk. On the desk.
On the desk.
Ties
Ties
on the chair. Spoons
Spoons on the
table.
table.
Plates
Plates on the
sideboard. Sideboard.
sideboard.
Ya.
Keyboard.
Cigarettes
Cigarettes on the television.
on the television.
On the television.
Oke.
Books.
Boxes
Box is
on the floor.
Four.
Bottles,
Bottle on the
dressing table.
table.
Books,
On the
shelf.
floor.
Shelf.
Short.
Lihat saya. Look at me. Shelf.
Shelf.
Nah. Magazines
Magazines
on the
on the
bed.
bed.
Newspapers
Newspaper
on the
on the
radio.
radio.
Ya, sekali lagi. Pens.
Pens on the
Sini siapa?
desk.
Come here.
Keys on the
Chair.
chair.
Spoons.
Spoons
24, lesson 24. On the table.
on the table.
Ah. Plates on the sideboard.
Board.
24 dulu baca. Cigarettes
Cigarettes
on the
on the
television.
television.
Ah.
Boxes
Boxes
on the
floor.
on the floor.
Bottles
Bottles on the
dressing
table.
hmm,
Books on the
shelf. Magazines
on the bed.
newspapers.
Newspaper on
Ada S-nya. Newspapers.
on the radio.
Oke, kau lagi ulangi dulu. Oke, lesson 24, pens.
Pens on the desk.
Jangan dulu, jangan dulu baca, bersama dulu baca. Kedua.
Pens on the desk.
Hmm.
Keys
Ties,
on the shelf.
dasi itu. Spoons,
Spoons
sendok-sendok.
on the table.
Plates,
Keys on the sideboard.
cigarettes
Cigarettes boxes
on the floor.
Bottle
Bottles, ada S-nya.
bottles on the dressing table. Books on the
Shelf.
Magazines on the bed. Newspapers on the radio.
Okay, next. Lesson 25. Mrs. Smith's kitchen. Ulangi, Mrs. Smith's kitchen is small.
There is a
Refrigerator
in the kitchen. The refrigerator is white.
white.
It is on the
Right.
There is an electric cooker in the kitchen.
Hmm.
The cooker is blue. It is on the left. There is a table in the middle of the room. There is a bottle on the table. The bottle is empty. There is a cup on the table. The cup is clean.
Ya, ulangi lagi sekali.
Lesson 25. Mrs. Smith's kitchen is small. There is a refrigerator in the kitchen. The refrigerator is white. It is on the right. There is an electric cooker in the kitchen. The cooker is blue. It is on the left. There is a table in the middle of the room.
There is
a bottle on the table. The bottle is empty. There is a cup on the table. The cup is clean.
Oke, lesson 26.
Lesson 26. Where is it?
There is a
cup on the table. The cup is clean. There is a box on the
floor.
The box is
Large.
There
There, bukan the. There is
glass in the sideboard. The glass is empty.
bukan there. There.
There is a tree.
Apa? There is a knife. Yang mana? There is a knife. Coba, there is a knife
There is a knife
on the plate. The knife is sharp. Bukan the. There.
There is a fork on the
Tin.
tin.
The fork.
The fork is dirty.
There is
There is a bottle in the refrigerator. The bottle is full.
bukan there. There. There is a
There is a pencil on the desk. The pencil is blue.
blunt. There is
There is a spoon in the cup.
the spoon is.
Small.
Ulangi dulu, bukan there. There. There is a. Coba, there is a. There is a. Yang pertama, there is a itu there is a. There is a cup.
Cup on the table. The cup is clean. There is a box on the floor.
Floor.
The box is large.
Large.
There is a glass in the sideboard. The glass is empty. There is a knife on the plate. Knife is sharp.
There is
a fork on the tin. The fork is dirty. There is a bottle in the refrigerator. The bottle is full. There is a pencil on the desk. The pencil is blue.
Blunt. Tumpul.
There is a spoon in the cup. The spoon is small.
Oke, sebelahnya lagi.
Lesson 27.
Lesson 20.
7.
Oke. 1, 2, 3.
Mrs. Smith's.
Apa itu? Mrs. Smith's living room.
Mrs. Smith's.
Ulangi dulu. Mrs. Smith's
Mrs. Smith's
living room
living room
is large.
is large.
There is a
There is a
television
television in the room.
in the room. The television
The television
is near.
is
Bukan in, is di situ. Is near the window.
near the window. There are some packages on the television.
There is a
table in the room. There is some newspaper on the table. There is some armchair in the room. There chair are near the table. There is a radio in the room. The radio is near the door.
the door.
There are some books on the radio. There are some pictures in the room. The pictures are on the wall.
Okay, repeat. 1, 2, 3.
Lesson 27. Missy. Yang mana? Ini. Now 28.
Udah itu dulu, 27 dulu lagi. Mrs. Smith's living room.
Mrs. Smith's room is large. There is a television in the room. The television is near the window. There are some magazines on the television. There is a table in the room.
Kita siapa, Pak?
There are some newspapers on the table. There are some armchairs in the room.
The armchairs
are near the
window. Mana? The armchairs are near. Mana di situ, Nak?
the door.
Near the door.
There are some
Pictures. There are some pictures in the room. The pictures are on the wall. Oke. Anca, kasih saya buku merah itu yang anak-anak belum ada. Oke, next. Lesson 28.
Lesson 28. What are they? There are some
Cigarettes
on the dressing table. They are near
that box. There are some plates
on the
cooker. They are clean. There are, jangan there are, langsung there are
some
trousers.
on the bed.
They are near that shirt. There are
some
bottles
in the refrigerator. They are empty.
There are
some soap on the floor. They are near the bed. There are some knives on the table. They are in that box.
There are. Ulangi, bukan there are, langsung there are
some boards on
some boxes.
on the slab. They are near the phones.
There are
some bottles on the board. They are not dogs in.
There are. Bukan they are. There are. Ulangi dulu. There are.
There are some tickets on the shelf. There in that handbag.
There are
There are some
glasses
on the radio. There are dogs
bottles. Ulangi lagi, kasih bagus. Bukan they are. There are. Repeat. 1, 2, 3.
There are some
Cigarettes.
on the dressing table.
That box. There are. Jangan ditahan. Ulangi. There are.
There are some pieces on the
They are. Itu baru they are. They are clean.
They are clean.
Nah ini there are
There are
some trousers
houses on
the bed.
the bed.
They are
They are
near that shirt.
shirt.
There are. Bukan they are. There are.
There are some bottles in the refrigerator. They are empty.
Bukan they are. There are.
There are
Hmm.
there are some
Shoes
shoes
on the floor. There. Boleh they are. They are near the bed. There are
some knives on the table.
they are
In the box. There are some forks on the shelf. They are near those pots.
spoons.
There are There are some bottles on the silkboard. They are near the steam.
There are
There are some tickets on the shelf. They are in the handbag. There are some gloves on the radio.
they are
They are near those bottles.
Satu dua lagi baru istirahat. Lesson.
Lesson 29.
Come in Besti.
Come in Besti.
Masuklah Besti.
Start the room, please.
Tutup pintu tolong.
The room very
Untidy.
untidy.
Ruangan ini sangat tidak rapi. What must I do?
What must I do,
Mrs. Jones, apa yang harus saya lakukan, Mrs. John? Coba dengar pelan dulu. Open the window.
Open the window.
Bukalah jendela and air the room.
And air the room.
And air the room.
And air the room.
Dan masukkan angin maksudnya. Then put these clothes
And put these clothes
in the wardrobe.
at the wardrobe.
Dan taruhlah pakaian-pakaian ini di lemari pakaian. Then make the bed.
Then make the bed.
Dan rapikan tempat tidur.
Dan
Beli dari siapa Ki? Sudah dibeli. Lanjut.
Then sweep the floor.
Then sweep the floor. Ulangi dulu.
Lesson
Lesson.
29.
Lesson 29. Ikuti saya. Come in, bestie.
Come in, bestie.
Shut the door, please.
Shut the door, please.
These bedrooms
This bedroom
very untidy.
very untidy.
What must I do?
What must I do?
Mrs. Jones,
Mrs. Jones,
open the window
open the window
and air the room.
Air the room.
Then
Then
put these
put
clothes
these clothes
in the wardrobe.
in the wardrobe.
Then make the bed.
Then make the bed.
Ah, ayo Pak.
Paling bawah. Dan the floor.
Bukan floor, floor. Ulangin udah lancar. Kenapa salah-salah bacanya terus? Boleh nyumbang aja Pak.
Ulangi dari awal.
Ulangin dari awal. Saya nggak mau salah-salah bacanya.
Coming bestie. Coming is bestie.
Come in, bestie.
Coming bestie. Shut the door, please. This bedroom very untidy.
Ya.
What must I do?
Bukan I do, I do. Ulangi. What must I do?
What must I do? Mrs. Jones,
Ah,
open the window and air the room.
ya. Bukan. Then put these clothes in the wardrobe. Then make the bed. Bukan. There itu ada and. Then make the bed.
Make bed. Dan the dressing table. Can see the floor.
Floor. Ulangi. Kalau salah kok floor lagi, kusuruh ulang lagi. Ulangi. 1, 2, 3. Come in, bestie.
Coming, bestie.
Shut
the room, please.
Shut the door, please.
Shut the door, please. This bedroom very untidy. What must
Kau kelas apa?
this is?
Oh, yang mau yang matematika di? Iya, masuk bagian dulu sana yang di pelajaran dalam itu. Tungguin gurunya.
Open the window and air the room. Put these clothes in the wardrobe. Make
Then bukan then. Pendek. Then make the bed.
Then make the bed. The dressing table. Chair.
Then bukan there.
Then
Ulangi. Then.
sweep the floor.
Ya. Oke, terakhir lesson 30.
Lesson 30. Open your book. Read your book. Put on your sweet. Tap on your sweet. Turn on the bell. Turn off the bell. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Clean the car. Clean the car. Dust the table. Dust the table.
Mungkin sebelah sini jangan diganggu, Pak. Yang anu tetangga itu. Pak, di itu yang sebelah sana tuh. Kasih tahu tuh. Bukan wilayahnya ya, anunya. Pak, jangan diganggu sebelah itu.
The cup.
Itu tuh, Pak.
Empty the cup.
Yang anu yang menjolok, yang di sebelah situ jangan diganggu, Pak.
Let this book.
Anunya tetangga itu, anunya. Wilayahnya itu.
Set the pencil.
Tapi enggak bisa, itu masalahnya sampahnya ke sebelah tahu, ah.
Iya sih. Baru satu dikirim kan, Kak?
Ya tunggu, sudah tulis namanya itu. Masalahnya sampahnya ke sebelah.
Sudah.
Baru buahnya kan.
Ini kita ambil, enggak enak. Oke, istirahat.